Alright, well, right now I've got the laptop in there writing like a quick little starter tune, I guess, for the boost. But I'm gonna go out, drive it around, and then send the log. I'm gonna log it, send it to Ben over there at Wide Open Throttle Technologies, and he's gonna help make sure that I get myself a, I don't fuck up the tune or nothing like that, because it'd be a shame to fucking blow up the motor. So, but yeah, he's gonna give me some pointers and get running good. So yeah, let's get it backed out, and I'll go drive it. Then we'll be back. And then pretty much that'll probably be it for really that, and then we'll probably try and maybe do something else. So yeah, let's go take it for a spin. Really, it'd be a damn shame if the fucking thing got stuck. Son of a bitch. And I don't want to give her, because I don't want to fuck up shit, because she's not tuned for boost. Son of a bitch. Yeah, because anytime I try to fucking reverse, it just is sliding that way. Sweet. And Paul won't be here for a while, so that sucks. I was hoping to try and get some shit done, but maybe not. So that's fucking gay. Alright, let's see what I can get done here. Well, we got it out. I just had to do some shoveling. And I already took her for a spin, sent the file. And now I'm going to drill some holes, and there's got to be one more here and one more here, just so that way it doesn't fly out, because that would be super shitty. So, just like these. Got to put one of these in, just to keep it pressed down, so it don't come out, because we don't want that. That would really suck. So I'll get those done, and we'll get those on, and then it'll be good to go. So let's do that. Okay, got it off. Got the nut in there, and we got the one up here. But yeah, let's get the panel back on. And boom, done. There and there. I'll have to go pick up more hardware because I only got 4 for this side. So, boom. That's, I mean, it's mounted. Got a long ways to go to finish it though. Definitely gonna have to freaking fix this door because when you open it, as you can see, it like drops a lot. So I'm actually gonna take the hinges off the door off the parts fiero. But yeah, oh yeah, we also got here. 1 second. And then I just got the these parts. They adapt the AN12 to a 3/4 inch barb fitting. So now all I gotta do is get some barb fittings and then pretty much put a hose from there over there and one from there to there. And then all we gotta do is just mount this somewhere's in the front of the car and then run the lines. So getting close. And if need be, I also have 45s if I need to use those. I was hoping to get 2 90s, but the seller didn't have them, so this is what we'll have to settle with. But this should do. But yeah, so those are here. Alright, so we just got back from Home of the Depot. I got myself some 3/4 inch line so that way I can make my little attachments to get it to the pump. And then we got Paul his new oil feed over here. Boom, right there. And then we're also putting on plugs for the coolant ports because fuck those things. But yeah, let's get to work. Well, so we got it ran from there, ran it along with the ground cable, and it goes up, and then comes up, and boom. And I just finished making that line. We'll run that. That one will go from down there all the way up to the front. And then what we'll probably end up having to do up in the front will be, well, I suppose hook over here. Game plan here is I'm gonna mount this pump here like so. And then this guy will go. Technically, this will probably come off of the other thing. But, well, I mean, technically the line will come from here, and then we'll have to run a hose from here up to whatever. Because the game plan, it'll go, you know, I'll have the heat exchanger in front of there, so in front of the radiator. But for now, we'll just pretty much just get it routed. And then we'll just have to figure out how we're going to go about this in the front here. So let's get that other line ran and get it under there so I can get the car back down on the ground. Alright guys, so here's where we're at. We've got one ran and it's just pretty much just sitting in here. And then the other one is right there coming up to the pump. And yep, we'll crawl underneath here. Do some. So there they are, coming in under here. Ran up along with that. Everything's zip tied and up, and then we're up here, and then comes up right here, splits off. This one goes to the top, and then the other one goes down around to the bottom. So that's. Now they're all ran. I'll cut all the little zip ties loose, and or just like cut off the ends. But yeah, pretty much how she's gonna sit for now until I get around to figuring out this jumble up here. I'll end up wiring the fuel pump, or not the fuel pump, the water pump into the 5th switch I have on my dash. But yeah. That's that one. So I tried a little bit different approach with editing this one, or not editing, but filming. I didn't do too much time lapse. So I guess if you guys like that, let me know. If not, we can go back time lapse, or I can try to incorporate it. It just worked out a little bit easier to not do time lapse today. So. But, you know, if it looks like shit, then I'll definitely make sure to do time-lapse. If not, well, then we'll keep going with this. But I'm probably going to end this one here. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.